I'm Ranger Cameron, and from Camp Nelson National Monument, this is another Civil War 160 and 60. By the spring of 1863, with General Ambrose Burnside at the head of the Department of Ohio, it was imperative to start building a military supply depot to support an eventual campaign into East Tennessee. Major James H. Simpson was one of several U.S. Army engineers dispatched to central Kentucky to find a suitable location for a supply depot. It had to be a large area, accessible by road, and it had to be made defensible against enemy attack. In a report, Major Simpson described his scouting mission into central Kentucky. Quote, "Between the 27th and 29th of April, by direction of Major General Burnside, I, with Captain Dickerson, Chief Quartermaster, selected a site for a large depot 6 miles beyond Nicholasville, between a bend of the Kentucky River and Hickman Creek. Lieutenant Colonel Babcock has been directed to me, under instructions from Major General Burnside, to fortify the area, embracing about 4 1/4 square miles." End quote. What you see behind me is a small portion of the 4,000 acres Simpson and his men selected. 160 years ago today, this was quiet Kentucky farmland. Once the U.S. Army decided this would be the site of their supply depot, work began to build and fortify a massive military complex called Camp Nelson.